delicious Jamaican chicken foot and pumpkin soup. This one is a must try, perfect for those in the cold weather and even us in the tropical weather. This is a Jamaican Saturday soup vibes. Just keep on watching. So welcome back to another video. As you see from the title, so here is a run through of our starting ingredients. We have our chicken feet and we're just going to remove the toes, clean them up, chop them so they're easy to eat, and then we're going to season them. But we are not only using chicken foot, we're also using chicken neck and a piece of chicken back. So after washing, we're going to put some seasoning and some fresh garlic cloves, put aside and wait until our water comes to a full boil. Then we're going to add our meat. So let me take the time out to thank all my returning supporters. Thank you guys so much for always coming back and checking out my videos. And for my new supporters, welcome and board. Thanks for joining me. You could have stopped anywhere else, but you choose to stop here. So I appreciate that. But please, before you go, tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you won't miss future uploads. Irish potato, celery and carrot, but for the starter we're going to work on the Irish potatoes and the pumpkin, and that's going to give the soup a bit of body with some color while cooking. So here we're adding it and we're going to stir this well, cover a pot and allow it to cook while we work on the rest of ingredients. So here is our carrot, remaining potato, and we're just going to slice these and put aside. We are using a piece of yam, cocoa, and a piece of dasheen, and we're just going to peel these, rinse well, and cut in small pieces. And off camera I had made some dumpling dough. I have a lot of video of me making dumpling dough already, so we're just going to make some dumpling dough and then we're going to rinse these well and add everything to our pot. And as I said, remember we put the starter, so now we're just going to put the carrot, the celery and the rest of Irish potato. At this moment we're doing this stage by stage. First we cook the meat, put the meat to start cook, then we put the starter, that is our pumpkin and our carrot, pumpkin and our Irish potato, pardon me, so that can give the soup some color while a little thickness at the same time. Okay, so we're just going to prep these and I'll come back at the end of the video because this is pretty much a self-explanatory video. So continue watching, guys. to add this to our pot. After adding them, stir well, adjust taste if needed, cover and allow to simmer. Then it's time to serve. So as I mentioned, catch you at the end of the video. Continue watching, guys. So here you have it, guys, my easy to make Jamaican chicken foot and pumpkin soup. So thanks again for watching. Please watch to the end, like the video, share and drop me a comment below. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so and turn the notification bell on so you won't miss future uploads. And this soup, look at the body, guys, look how thick it be. Yes, this is how I love my soup. So thanks again for watching, guys. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.